Oh shoot. What's up, guys? Today I'm here in the Big Bad Wolf in a private server so no one can join. But I'm here to tell you that Will's being sus. She keeps saying that she wants to be the Big Bad Wolf. I don't know. But I'm in a game. I don't know. I don't believe in it. I don't even know what this game is. So, yeah. So I don't know about the thing. About anything, so please tell me advice, like how to play this game. What the? Oh, that scared me. Hello? What is that? What was that? What was that? What was that? What is that glowing eyes? No. I'm going to the house. I'm going to the house. What is that? What is that? What is that? What? What is that? What is it? What the? I have to hide in this house. Hello? Shoot. Guys, please like and subscribe so you can save me. Wait a second. I got an AK-47. Wait a second. Yellow girl. What are you gonna... Huh? Maybe bullets don't work. Oh no! Oh!